All right, this is the Algebra 1B Part 1, Unit 2 sample work. Sample work is vocabulary, so I'm going to write each one of the vocabulary words, define it in my own terms. You can use your own words if you want to as well, but then also you need to give a specific example for each. Okay, so without further ado, item number 1, rational number. A number that can be written as a ratio of whole numbers. Often called a fraction. Example, 0.25 equals 1/4. Rational. Two, integer. Positive or negative whole numbers. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, ... Integers. Positive or negative whole numbers. 3. Irrational numbers. Numbers that can't be written as fractions. Another indicator, decimals that never stop and don't repeat forever. Example, pi. About 3.14159, 256, ... Irrational. Can't be made into a fraction. Okay, number 4. Real number. At this point, it's any number you can think of. Okay, it's all rational and irrational numbers combined. Okay, so square root 2 is an irrational number. 4/5 is a rational number. They're both real numbers. And 5. Closure property. When an operation's result is still in the set. A rational number, 2/3, plus another rational number, 4/5, equals 3 times 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 3 times 4 is 12, 10 plus 12 is 22, 3 times 5 is 15. So a rational plus a rational equals another rational number. Adding them did not take us out of the set of rational numbers. That's closure under addition for rational numbers. Six. Exponents. The little number, or little superscript number, saying how many times to multiply the base by itself. 4 to the 5th, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Which is 1024. 5 is called the exponent. Okay, let's make a little room. Number 7. Base. The big number that an exponent says to multiply by itself. Example, 4 to the 3rd, 4 is the base. Eight. Factors. The numbers multiplied in a product. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 and 5 are factors. Nine. Root. The number that multiplied by itself yields the radicand. The square root of 25 is 5. 5 is called the root. Radical. Sounds like when I was in high school. Totally radical, dude. 10. Radical. The symbol indicating a root. Square root 25. That symbol is a radical. Make a little little room. $11. Radicand. The number in a radical. Square root 25. 25 is the radicand. Number 12. Index. The little number in front of a radical. Indicating which root is sought. Square root 25. Let's do this. If I put a 2 on it, which is the default number, that's called the index. If I do the cube root of 8, that's also the index, only the answer is 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Index, not Windex, index. Okay. Number 13. Expression. The combination of numbers variables, letters, and operations. An example of an expression is the third root of 27 to the 5th power plus 5x. That's an expression. Okay. 14. Equivalent. Same value. Square root 25 equals 2 plus 3. They're equivalent because they both equal 5. Equivalent. $15. Make a little room. Variable. A letter representing an unknown or changing amount or quantity. 5x plus 2, or x equals 3, change the x to 3, 15 plus 2, 17, x is called a variable. It can be any value we want it to be. Solution. Solution. The value of a variable that makes equivalent values. Or the equation true. Okay, example, 5x plus 2 equals 17. If x equals 3, that is the solution. Because substituting makes a true equation. Seventeen does equal 17. Equation, last one. An algebraic sentence with an equal sign. 5x plus 2 equals 17 is an equation. It can be false or true, depending on the value of x that we insert. Okay, that is it.